Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday 10th of January and we are here for a market analysis. Market क्या लगता है daily observation for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Yesterday was a good bullish bounce in both these indices and right now it is essential, it is crucial that we understand how both these indices are playing out. Last week when we had our discussion about the market क्या लगता है weekly episode, we were having a pretty much bearish view. Now this today's candle has changed the scenario in somewhat way. I will not say that the view is changed right now, but at this point in time I am a bit cautious. Why I am saying so? Let's try to understand. So as you can see on this Nifty 50 chart, as per the daily time frame, yesterday the price revisited 2023 opening price of 18,133. For Bank Nifty, the opening price is far away. So Bank Nifty looks clearly bearish here. So that part we need to understand. Let's go to Nifty chart to understand how Nifty is performing with respect to the range. So this is hourly chart of Nifty and we had plotted this range between 18,100 to 17,600 and right now Nifty is trading just within the range, just inside the range. It is trading at 18,088. Now at this point in time, what we need to understand, see, if you go by the closing price, it is 18,101. So 18,101 is at the range high level. So in today's day, if at all Nifty closes above 18,100, that will ensure, that will tell us that the bearish bias is no more valid and we will move out of the trade for now, and then we'll look for a confirmation on price to go either bullish or a bearish. So whatever the trade is available, basis the closing of today's day, if let's say we close above 18,100 today, then that will be a exit criteria for my current existing bearish positions. But at the same time, I am not very bullish at this point in time. I will still be watching the markets very cautiously, and once we identify that the price has slowly started to decline towards 18,000 or lower than 18,000, that will give us a confirmation that the ongoing bearish trade is continuing. Okay, so right now the target that I'll be seeking will be 17,800 again, and then once we reach to this target, then we'll talk about the next possible targets for Nifty. But right now the battle between this 18,000 and 18,100 is pretty crucial. So we'll have to see how the follow-up comes for the day. For Bank Nifty, as we can see, Bank Nifty is clearly above the weekly range right now. The opening was pretty strong and it maintained itself above the range for the entire day, almost for the entire day. Now again for Bank Nifty as well, this looks like intermediate lower high after again a low and a lower high is being printed. As per the Dow theory, on a lower time frame, this looks like a good reversal. Now again we need a follow-up. If we get a follow-up and price remains within the range, that will be good for us to carry or continue our bearish trades. If not, if the price remains outside of this particular range, then in that case, even on an hourly closing basis, we can very well book the ongoing trades and move out of this particular bearish trade scenario. Now see, again, very interesting thing, the trades which are ongoing right now. Yeah, before that, quickly take a look at the 8 important stocks. So as we were discussing last week, I said till Friday we should get majority of the stocks below 50 EMA on a daily time frame. But as you can see here, now at this point in time, more than 4 to 5 stocks are above their respective daily 50 EMA. Like Reliance is above 50 EMA, HDFC Bank is above 50 EMA, State Bank is above 50 EMA, HDFC Limited is above 50 EMA, and TCS is above 50 EMA. Rest 3 stocks like Kotak, then your Infosys and ICICI Bank, these 3 stocks are below their respective 50 EMA on a daily time frame. So now what's the trades going on, the current ongoing trades? These are my positions which I'm carrying since Friday. So bank nifty call short is showing neck to neck thing. So this 42,500 currently showing there's a uh, loss of about 10,000 rupees in this pair or this strategy. Then if you compare, the futures are doing good, both the futures are doing good. Put are notional loss, so that's perfectly all right. 17,500 calls are doing good, and against that I've also shorted 18,100 call. This is the position that I've created yesterday, so this is ongoing. This is just created yesterday, so currently showing only 1,000 rupee something profit. So all in all it looks good, nothing to be worried about, but depending on today's close it will be a decision about accepting the current trade, and then we'll see, once we'll move out of the trade, then we'll get a time to think about it rationally, and then according to next available entry we can re-enter the trade. At the same time, I want to tell you, all of you, that let's say if you are in a trade and if the trade is not going as per your plan, as per your expected direction, expected trend, then in that case you can book your trade before it goes into loss, and then you will get an opportunity to rethink about your trade. If your stop loss or your trailing stop loss is not hit, then you can very well remain in the trade. Okay, both these things are important. If you feel that the trend is going against you and now is the time for you to stop and move out of the trade, come out with some profit in your hand. That some profit will encourage you to enter at the next available entry. This is something that you need to keep in mind. You have to be agile. Don't be rigid while trading. Just be agile and be nimble while booking your profits at this point in time, unless and until we get a clear directional trend, which I feel in next couple of days we should get. Today or tomorrow we should get the clear directional trend, and then you can trade in that direction. Okay, the first 15 days are usually volatile for any year, and once the sap is out, it will give us a great clarity about the direction of the market, and then in that case we'll get a directional trade of about 1,000 points or maybe more than that for Nifty. So let's hope for good and wait for that confirmation to be in front of us. Let's say till then we'll not trade on assumptions. So if the closing prices are breached above our expected area, we should book out these positions and move out of the trade, right? That's it from me for this day. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.